Assalaamu Alaykum, everyone. It's me, Chris. Hi, everyone. This is Yaki Thak here, and this upload is about my modern standard Arabic practice. And I wrote this, what you're looking at right now, maybe 2 weeks before this video. And then I went onto YouTube and I found a lady I didn't realize that she was speaking a Palestinian version. And I just wrote down because I didn't really understand the Arabic writing, okay, or how to pronounce what, and it didn't make sense to me, okay. So all this was just a really initial practice. And then today, I found a person, a doctor that's teaching modern standard Arabic from the very beginning for free. And he has half an hour segments to do it. And you can see here, before he does anything with you, he has you writing it in the Latin script, translated and transliterated. So I wrote down the alphabet in its isolate form, as he calls it, and then I wrote it down how it should look if you're writing it in lined paper. And this is what he calls the isolate form. And it's only the third time I've written the Arabic characters. So then there was three short vowels, and you can see these dotted circles are representing as if there was one of these consonants where the vowel would go. And then the name of it, Fatah, Kasa, Kasra, Dama, I'm not sure. I've got about 3 hours of Arabic practice. But this man really shows you how to do it, how to move your mouth, where to position your tongue, when to breathe out, the difference between a tha and a ta and a tha and a ha and a ha. And I'm sure there's other sounds that I'm not representing. So then you go through the vowels, exactly like you would in kindergarten. How to write them on top of every single letter. And I'm telling you, with this beautiful language, this is the way I'm going. I'm not even putting on a pair of shoes yet. I haven't even learned to crawl. And this man's going to teach me everything I need to know about my Arabic life through this course for free on YouTube. And you can tell that I'm definitely not a native Arabic speaker, okay? And I'm definitely not very well versed in the penmanship of this language. But through these very minimal pages, there's already consistency developing. And these are different letters. They're very similar, as he calls them. They're in a similar family. So like these three sounds, ba, ta, and tha, are in the boat family, just named off of the shape. Okay. Then he shows you how to join them and where to put the notation to join them, where to stick the vowel, if there's that notation. So there's 6 letters in their alphabet. They call them the naughty letters, meaning they don't extend to the left. Like you can see for here, the ba from the boat family, you would only draw maybe the first third of it, and then you can attach another letter to it. And it's kind of like English cursive, where it just stays attached until the end. And then there's some special rules that I haven't really got into with the ta marbuta, but this man has mapped it out so easy for me to follow, and it's all free on YouTube. And if you were ever wondering if you could learn Arabic, you can. And you can do it for free as long as you've already got an established internet connection. You can do this for free. You can do it yourself. I've done this for 3 hours, and you can see the major difference from the first time I was writing down the characters here to what I just showed you on these pages back here. The language looks beautiful when you write it correctly. It sounds phenomenal when you speak it correctly. And it was made by humans for humans, and I'm a human. So I can and I will join the Arabic Club. You can as well. Language is free knowledge. Keep talking.